80.3% on SWE-Bench Pro. The old record was 69, Anthropic just beat its own model by 11 points. The new model is called Fable 5. It costs double. It refuses to stop thinking, and if your prompt gets too interesting, it quietly hands you to a cheaper model. This is the strangest AI launch of 2026. First, the numbers, because they are stupid. SWE-Bench Pro tests real GitHub engineering tasks. Fable 5 scores 80.3, GPT 5.5 gets 58, Gemini 3.1 Pro gets 54, then there's FrontierCode, production-grade coding under real standards. The old Opus scored 13%, GPT 5.5 scored 5, Fable scores 29. That is not an increment, that is a different weight class. Terminal bench, 88%. Document vision, state-of-the-art. Knowledge work, state-of-the-art. Nearly every benchmark they tested, state-of-the-art. The price, $10 per million tokens in, $50 out. Double Opus 4.8. Anthropic looked at the leaderboard, then looked at your wallet and chose violence on both. But here's where it gets interesting. Fable 5 is not a new model, it is a leash. The real model is called Mythos. Anthropic built it months ago and gave it to exactly one customer, the United States government, Project Glasswing. Cyber defenders only, 78% on Exploit Bench, the strongest cybersecurity model on Earth. Fable 5 is Mythos with a muzzle. AI classifiers watch every request for three things: cyber attacks, bioweapons, and people trying to distill the model. That's distillation, don't worry about it. Trip a classifier and Anthropic silently routes your request to Opus 4.8. The cheaper model, you pay Fable prices, you get last month's model. They say over 95% of sessions are unaffected. That sentence is doing a lot of work. Up to 1 in 20 sessions rerouted with no notification. And the API got weirder. Temperature deleted, top P deleted, send them and you get a 400 error. You don't tune Fable 5, you ask it nicely. Extended thinking, you cannot turn it off. Thinking disabled returns an error. The model thinks whether you like it or not. Same energy as a senior dev who refuses to ship without tests. Annoying, correct. Availability is its own comedy. The API got it day 1, Amazon Bedrock day 1. GitHub Copilot day 1, your $20 Claude subscription, June 23rd. A staggered rollout. Enterprises with usage billing got the model before the people who pay every single month. Priorities. One more thing, biology researchers can apply for a version with the bio safeguards removed. They call it the Trusted Access Program, so the tier list is now official. The government gets Mythos. Scientists get Fable Unchained. You get Fable with a babysitter. So is it worth it? If you write code for money, yes. The FrontierCode gap alone pays the bill. If you run a chatbot wrapper startup, congratulations, you just became a feature again. The bottom line, the best public model on Earth is a government model wearing a visitor badge. Use it before they change their minds. If you want more code reports, hit the up arrow. I'll see you in the next one.